Good morning, student. Heartily welcome to the new academic session 2021 and 22. As you know, student, due to this pandemic situation, again this year we are going to start the online classes. As you know, student, I am your bio teacher, Sapna Borde ma'am. I hope you all are healthy and happy at home. Take care, student, as well as take care your parents, and stay home, stay safe, but study hard. From today, in this lecture, I am going to teach the new topic, structure of chromosomes, cell cycle and cell division. Means in that lesson we have to study about that the structure of chromosome, cell cycle, cell division and structure of DNA. But in that video today I am explaining you the structure of chromosome. Let us start the video. First of all, I will revise you. In the previous classes already we have studied about that the structure of cell. As you know, student, what is mean by cell, what is mean by cell organelles. Okay, see student, this is the one kind of the cell. You know, this is a cytoplasm, nucleus, nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromatin fibers, centrosomes. Got it? Means as you know the structure of chromosome. But in that lesson we have to only the study of cell organelles, which is necessary for the cell division. In the previous classes you know that this is a centrosomes. When the centrosomes are divided, it is called as, this is a centrioles. Centrioles means when centrosomes are split and divide into the two equal part, it's called as the centrioles. Centrosomes is a organelles which is present in only animal cell. In the last year you have studied about that. Means the centrosomes is the cell organelle which is responsible for cell division and which is present in only animal cell. And it is very important part of the cell is the nucleus. Nucleus have a nuclear membrane. This is the nucleolus, and these thread-like structure, is called as the chromatin fiber, and this thread-like structure is very important for the heredity. Got it? Means you know chromatin means the thread-like structure. See, this is the thread-like structure which is present in the nucleus. This thread-like structure is contain DNA and protein. You know, in the previous classes we have studied about that nutrition. As a food we take the carbohydrate, we take a fat, we take a protein. We get the energy from carbohydrate and fat. Okay, and the protein is the body building material, because the protein, our body is made from protein. Whenever our skin will be cut due to the protein is a repair the body. Okay, the growth, we grow with the help of protein. Means the chromatin fiber is contain the DNA and protein. DNA is a 40% and protein is the 60%. This protein which is present in the nucleolus is called as the histone. Later again I will explain what is the histone, what is the DNA in details. But let us keep in your mind the chromatin fiber means what? The thread-like structure which is present in the nucleus. And this thread-like structure, this thread means what? DNA and histone. 40% thread-like DNA and it contains the 60% histone. During the cell division, what happened? During the cell division, these chromatin fibers are thick and condense and form the chromosomes like that. See the structure of chromosomes. Means chromosome means what? What is mean by chromosome? Chromosome means nothing else. It is also chromatin fiber. It also contains the DNA and histone. Means the chromosome is also contain DNA and histone. But when during the cell division, when the cell division, That times these chromatin fibers are condensed and form the chromosome. Got it? What is mean by chromosome? Chromosome is a chromatin fiber. But during the cell division, these chromatin fibers are condensed and form a chromosome. Got it? What is meant by chromosome? And in that video, we are going to detail study about that the chromosomes. Let us see. The chromosome is the first study by the scientist Walter Fleming. See. Walter Fleming. In exam, maybe ask what is the name the scientist who discovered the first time the chromosome. The Walter Fleming was the German scientist who were first study of the chromosome in 1882. Means whenever he observing the nucleus under the microscope, he saw some thread-like structures. They are condensed. When he was dyeing the substance and observed the nucleus under the microscope, he saw the color body, and he has given the name chromosome. Chromosome means what? Chromo means color. Chromo means color and some means body. Chromosome means what? Color body. And the Walter Fleming were first study of the chromosomes, and he was given the name, this structure is called as the chromosome. Understood what is mean by chromosome? Let us again revise. Miss, I will give the example. See, have you seen Maggie? Miss, the chromatin fiber is like a Maggie, which is present in the nuclear membrane. It is the thread-like structure. It is a long thread-like structure. It's called as the chromatin fiber. But when during the cell division, we are made from a single cell. Our cell is divided multiply and we grow. Means the all living organism is made from a single cell, and the cell is divided multiply and form the organism. Got it? Means this thread-like structure which is present in the nuclear membrane is called as the chromatin. And when this thread-like structure is condensed, means highly coiled and form the chromosome. Got it? This is the structure of chromosome. This is the structure of chromosome. This is the pair of chromosome. Means this is a single chromosome and this single chromosome. These two sister chromatid is called as the two sister chromatid. And these two sister chromatid is attached to the center. This center point is called as the centromere. Got it? What is the structure of chromosome? Chromosome is the chromatin fiber. But when during the cell division, the chromatin fiber is condensed, highly coiled, highly condensed and form the structure of chromosome. And this structure of chromosomes are divided, split and form the new cell. Got it? What is mean by chromosome? Chromosome is also DNA and histone. Means in the chromosome is also contained. See, when we are take the one single thread, it contain 8 protein molecule and thread-like structure. It is called as nucleosomes. Means see, this is the 8 ball and these 8 ball wrap the DNA coil. This structure is called as the nucleosomes. Got it? It contains the 8 histone and DNA molecule. Understood, student? What is mean by chromosome? And these chromosomes are responsible to every species reproduce the same species as. Got it? Means see, the human being is contain the 23 pair of chromosome. Human being have a 23 pair, means 46 chromosomes. So the human being can reproduce the human being. The dog reproduce the puppy. The cat reproduce the kitten. How the all organisms are reproduce same young one? Due to this number of chromosomes. The number of chromosomes are responsible for all living organisms are reproduce their young one as he has. Got it? As. Understood? Let us again revise. Again I will explain. See this structure. This is the chromosome. When the one thread we are opening, this is the two chromosomes. See, this is the chromatid, single chromatid, sister chromatid. This sister chromatid is together is called as the pair of chromosome. These sister chromatid are joined. This part is called as the centromere. When we are open the thread, each thread contain the millions and millions of nucleosomes. Nucleosomes means what? Nucleosomes means the structure which contain 8 histone. 8 histone and wrap the DNA thread. This structure together is called as the nucleosomes. Means see, let us revise. This is a cell. The cell contain nucleus. Nucleus contain chromosomes. In human being there are 23 pair of chromosome. The chromosome means what? Highly condensed chromatin fiber, and these each fiber is contain millions of nucleosomes. And what is mean by nucleosomes? Nucleosomes means it contain 8 histone. Histone means what? Protein. 8 histone and wrap the thread. This is called as the DNA. Got it, student? What is the structure of chromosome? In the next lesson, I will explain about that, the structure of DNA. Means, see, you got it? Nucleosomes. Nucleosomes means 8 histone. 8 histone, 8 ball, and which is wrap the coil, wrap the DNA. This structure is called as the nucleosomes. In my next lecture, I will details explanation about that, the DNA. Understood, student? What is mean by chromatin fiber? What is mean by chromosome? Let us see the definition of chromosome. What is the definition of chromosome? Chromosomes are highly coiled and condensed chromatin fiber. During the cell division, the chromatin fiber is converted into the chromosomes. Chromosomes like that structure. Means see, this is the pair of chromosome. Each pair is called as sister chromatid, and each sister chromatids are joined in the center point. This center point is called as the centromere. Understood, student? Thank you. In my next video, I will explain about that, the DNA. Stay home, stay safe, and study hard. Thank you.